Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Sarah and today's video is going to be a power hour clean with me. So if you're unfamiliar with what the power hour is, essentially what you do is you make a list of organizing and cleaning tasks that you want to get done, and you give yourself 1 hour to get as many of those tasks done as possible. This is a great way to be able to get a lot of cleaning done in a small amount of time. So I made a list of the areas that I want to tackle. First on my list is I need to make my bed. I didn't make my bed this morning. Next, I need to fold a load of laundry. And then I need to clean up the playroom. Next, I need to clean our kitchen. I need to put the dishes in the dishwasher, mop the floors, and wipe down the counters. And then last, I need to tidy up the living room.
Timer for 1 hour, and then I like to diffuse essential oils while I am cleaning. I really have been loving this sweet orange. It's just really light and refreshing and energizing for when I'm cleaning.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over,